Okay, the first questions for today is going to be revising our two-way tables. It's a two-way table. Now this first question, A, it just asks you to work out the total, the missing total. So this one here is like bananas. This one here is don't like bananas. On this column here, it's liking apples. And then the one underneath is don't like apples. In the first instance, all you need to do is add up these totals and put your totals here for those that like bananas, and put your total over here on the right hand side in this row for disliking apples. After you've done that, it's asked you these questions. That was A. B, it's asked you to work out how many people like both apples and bananas. So you're looking for the cell which has got people that both like bananas and apples. Write that number down for B. For C, it's asking you how many people dislike both apples and bananas. Again, you're looking for which box has got those that dislike both, don't like bananas, don't like apples. D is question is how many people participated in the survey. So you need to find the grand total where that's located in that table and write it down. And E, it is not possible to like apples and dislike apples. These two events are, and I'll tell you what that is, which is mutually exclusive. Not sure that we covered that. Mutually exclusive if it is you can't like and dislike something at the same time. Okay, so our next question, question 8, is over here. We'll swap coloured pens. So this, reading this sentence, a car salesperson notes that among 40 cars for sale, write that number down somewhere as your total, there are 15 automatic cars. So write down perhaps an A for automatic, and 10 sports cars. Perhaps we use S for sports cars. Only 2 of the sports cars are automatic. A, create a two-way table. So you're creating something. I shouldn't give you a hand. Which you're going to have on here. You're going to have your automatic cars and your sports cars. Sorry, sports cars on that row. And you're going to have not automatic. And you're going to have not sports. And then you're having your totals around the outside as we've done before. Your total down here. Another total. And then remember in that square down the bottom, we have got our grand total is what you're going to put in there. All right, so construct that table. That is A. That's what you're doing. Put your numbers in. All right, so B is asking us to this question here. What is the probability that a random selected car will be a sports car that is not an automatic? So you need to find the square in that table that you just made where it's a sports car. So it's in the sports car column, but it's not a, I might just get rid of these because they're confusing. It's in the sports car, so it's an automatic car, where we are. It's a sports car, it's not automatic, so it's S but not A. And it's actually for probability, so that's going to end up being a fraction with your grand total of things underneath and the other number on top. Okay, so C, what is the probability that the random selected car will be an automatic car that's not a sports car? So that's A but not S. Same thing, probability, it's going to be a fraction. If an automatic car is chosen at random, so now you know it's an automatic car. What is the probability that it is a sports car? So this time around, we're only talking about this column because we're selecting automatic cars. So our probability is going to be over this total Here, the total for automatic cars, not the total for all cars.